Alright, now it's a losing game for that tree. It's way, way steeper than it looks here. Let's just put it that way. You are done messing with me today. Yep, told you. So this is the back of the pond dam. The pipe's gonna go in right here when I get around to moving it. Alright, this cedar needs to go now too. You see how it's right on the edge of that dam and I need more room. So it looks like I could push it right over. It's hung up on another tree. Or I might be able to pull it back towards me. Where the water level is going to be. Come on, baby. Get it. Oh, now I'm sitting on top of it. Dug out some. Kitty, did you hear Wheaties this morning? Oh, somebody ate their Wheaties today. Try to just push it right back into the woods there. See if I can do that without tipping myself over here. Oh, come on, keep going all the way straight through. Don't get hung up on nothing. Got track power now. Oh, we're tipping a little. Keep going. Oh, almost. Almost. Get in there though. Oh my gosh, I wish I could use them reverse pedals. Farther back. Alright, I got an idea. Let's try it this way. The front is hung up here on this tree over here. Alright, don't lose my GoPro. Let me get my GoPro off of there and get this. I'm a little frustrated. Alright, now it's a losing game for that tree. It's a losing game. Yeah. That's what I need to get it over. little bit more. Back up here without tipping over. I'm gonna get it. It's way steeper than it looks here. Let's just put it that way. I'm literally tipping right now. I'm in a bad spot. That's where not being able to use reverse pedals is a really bad drain. Alright, you're going. Tree, you're done. You are done messing with me today. Yep, told you. Looks like behind us. So this is the back of the pond dam. The pipe's going to go in right here when I get around to moving it. And when I get enough dirt back here. Now I got to go clean up that stump mess over there. But progress, slowly but surely. Alright, getting kind of old just moving the dirt right here, but we're making a lot of progress. It would be exponentially faster with a second guy running a tractor or a skid steer, but it's Sunday, so I'm running solo today. Definitely going to be a lot bigger up front, which is good, but it's just a lot of dirt to move with small machines. Lots of dirt. Alright, I'm going to pull this other pipe out and put it to where it needs to go permanently. On a much wider spot of the dam. Oh wow, it just snapped in half. Well, shucks. Must have been a little rigid from sitting outside all them years. Guess I'll take that longer half. That really blows because I really needed the length. Well, let's see how it looks. Yeah, that ain't gonna be long enough. Shoot. Guess I might have to go get another pipe. Or do the old Gorilla tape on this one. is that coupler on the other one, the piece that broke, the end that broke. I'm going to join them together down here. Probably going to try to duct tape it, but we'll see. Let's get this one kind of seated first up here. Get my tape and then we'll try and piece this together. Alright, here's the pipe. You really don't necessarily need the tape because there's a coupler there, but it don't hurt it. So it's supported 7/8 of the way down now. Now when it comes out, it's going to erode way back there and not up here near the pond dam. Ask me how I know that mistake. Alright, I'm getting close to winding it down for today. I might have put it in a little higher than I wanted, which is going to add more work because then we got to build a dam higher, but it's also going to make it a bigger pond up on that end. And I think we got plenty of hill slope to accommodate a bigger pond. Obviously, the bigger it is, the cooler it is. A lot of ways, not just the cool factor, but cool water and cool factor. So I'm back to cut this whole thing out and bring in dirt this way. It's getting hot out, the air ain't working so good, but this is kind of an extension of the dam, except we're all going to be right here all underwater at the very edge of the pond. I'm just trying to get a roadway so that we can continue to build it up, because that pipe is a little bit higher than the original pipe, so we got more dirt work to do, but it's going to be a lot bigger. It's going to be all water up here. I got all this piled for fill to move with the tractor because it's just slow with the excavator. Very slow, but good progress, you know, for a Sunday. I got to recompact a lot of this in here. I want to grade a decent ramp here so fill isn't too much of a hazard with the tractor. And that's where I'm going to call it. Out of my way. Nothing worse than running over a rock with a track vehicle. Alright, it's probably going to be it. Oh, all right, here's the after look for today. This big tree is gone that was there. You can kind of see now the dam is getting extended, if you will, so the water's going to end right about where my finger is, if you could see it. And then this should be water up here in this lane. And once we get all this dirt out of here, the water should come up to probably around the base of that dirt pile right here. So it's adding more volume to it. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next one. She started filling already.